Hi Dress-O Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a taiyaki ice cream. So let's get started. To draw this very yummy ice cream, let's first start by drawing a big curve across. So I'm going to come right here, give myself a point, and I'm just going to drag it right across, straight across, so say about this wide. Since I'm drawing pretty big, it just makes it a little bit easier for me to see my curve. So about right here towards the center is my lowest point, and then I'm going to go back up to my point. Then from there, I'm going to round this part off. So this is going to be kind of like the top part of our fish. So right here, I'm just going to thicken up that curve. Go all the way across and follow your follow your top curve. Then from there, I'm going to bring down a big curve right here, come in a little bit, and then we're going to come down. So we're going to start to draw the body of our fish. So on both sides, just come in a little bit, and we're just going to go ahead and draw a curve. So let's bring this down a little bit more to say about that much. Now I'm pretty even. I'm going to go ahead and draw the same thing once again. So I'm just going to draw this big curve. So I'm going to aim to come back up to that side. So about right here's my center, and then I'm going to go up. So we just want to have enough room for some eyes if you want to make this extra cute. Then from there, once again, we're just going to thicken this up just like the top and connect at the bottom, following your top. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's go ahead. We're going to finish up the tail of our fish. So let's imagine this coming through. We're going to come down, and we're just going to get thinner as we come down to draw our tail. So keep bringing it down, back and forth, and then say about right here. We start to bring it in, and we're going to round it off towards the bottom. So about right here, and connect. There, so nice and round. Then from there, since we're here, I'm going to come up right here and draw a tail. So it's kind of going to be a little bit off centered. So let's say about right here. I'm going to give myself a point. This is my center. And I'm going to draw one big curve and then another one. I think my favorite part is the tail. This part right here makes it look so cute. And then let's come in here. I'm just going to draw a little line for some detail in each one. Then from there, since we're over here, I'm going to draw a fin before I forget. So about right in this area. I'm going to curve it down following the shape of my fish and then come in. And then let's see here, and draw some lines as well for some detail. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's come over here since we're drawing fins. And about in this area right here, we're going to draw one fin really close. So we're going to come down. This one is going to come down a little bit lower. And then we're just going to put in 3 of these curves. 2 and 1 more. There. Then let's see here. Then let's go ahead and draw the soft serve ice cream. So I'm going to come up in this area right here and draw a big curve, nice and round. Just going to drag a point across about right here. Pop in one, and then let's go up. So we're heading towards the center. So we're going to go up 1 and 1 more. And towards the center, we're going to draw the top. So let's come in, and about right here, we're going to go curve it up. And nice big mound, we're going to bring it down about right here, and then 1 more, and connect. There. So then from there, we're just going to draw some curves. So let's come right here, we're going to dip down a little bit and then curve back up, just to give our soft serve some movement. So that's 1. Pop this out a little bit more. Okay, and then one. So this one is a little it's just going to be a curve all the way across. There. Okay, so now it's filled, right? And then now let's add some more details. So let's bring this, let's see here. Let's come to this bottom part. We're going to draw some scales. So I'm just going to go around all the way across and draw a bunch of curves. So I'll start about right here. I'm just going to draw one full one, one big one, and start to go across. So kind of like in the center, and then whatever space you have left, and here as well, fill in the sides. Then let's stagger them. So right here in the center, we're going to draw another one, and then we're just going to keep going. All the way across. So just imagine here, so same thing, let's stagger it. And probably two more, right? Two more layers. So it just depends on how many you want to put. You can make them bigger, smaller. It's all up to you. Just want to give it some texture. So see about right here, I'll just go ahead and finish it off with two curves. There, now our tail has some texture. It looks like a fish now, right? For sure. Then let's bring this to life and make it extra cute. So about right in this area, the space that I've created, I'm going to draw a big circle for some draw so cute eyes. If you want to do that and make it extra cute, so about right here, draw another circle. There. So now my two circles in, let's make them draw so cute eyes with two small circles inside for highlights. And a curved line at the bottom. And shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. There. Then from there, I'm going to come above each eye and just draw a soft curve. And then let's draw a big smile in the center. So let's say about right here in between the eyes. And I'm just going to come up with a little tongue right here because it's very yummy, and cap this part off. And let's see here. Then from there, some more details. You can add a bunch of sprinkles or whatever you like. So I'm just going to come here and there, add these sprinkles. Or cornflakes, whatever, right? So maybe add some hearts because I need to add a heart right on this drawing. So here and there, I'll just put in some heart sprinkles as well. But like I said, it's all up to you what you want to put. Or how many. And let's see here. Let's add a little bit more. Oops. Let's see. The more we put, the more color we can put in, right? So let's just keep going. And another heart right here. And one here. Okay, that's it. And that is pretty much it for my drawing of this taiyaki ice cream. I really hope it inspires you and that I helped you draw it fun and easy today. Thanks so much for watching, and if I helped you, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.